y'all hear me?
Yes.
I've been a little bit under the weather, so I don't want to use too much on the mic. I don't have much to say. So, this is just a little poem that I was thinking about in my head as I was coming here, so I'm going to share it with y'all today. A young boy asked his father, "Dad, do you have life figured out?" The father responded, "I don't know, son, but one thing I can tell you is, keep living." The son said, "Why? It seems that you do. You have the perfect children, the perfect wife, the perfect house, and you have everything that you ever dreamed of." The dad said, "Do you think so? Is that all that you think life is what I have?" The son said, "Yes." "Why, of course. Isn't that what life is all about?" The dad said, "You know what, son? Keep living." So, a few years passed, the son got to high school. He came back and asked his dad the same question. "Dad, do you feel life is figured out? Do you have life figured out?" The dad said, "I'm getting closer, but not yet." He said, "Why do you ask?" The son said, "Well, Dad, I'm getting ready to go off to Yale. I feel that I've made you proud. My siblings have done the same. They're following in my footsteps." And he says, "Why should you have life figured out? You've raised us well. You've done all that you can do for us at any time." The dad says, "But yet still you have not figured it out."
All right.
Is that what you think life is? What you have accomplished? The things you have? The things you are yet to achieve? The son said, "Of course. I want money. I want the same thing you have. Nothing more, nothing less." The dad said, "Son, I'm going to tell you a secret. Keep living." Years passed. The son has graduated from Harvard. Yeah. The son has graduated from Yale. His siblings are not grown children. He asked the dad once again, as his dad is laying on his deathbed, "Dad, do you feel that you have life figured out?" The dad answered and said, "Why do you ask?" He said, "Because here we are once again, with everything that you could ever have. You are retired, you are laying here, and you are still, as you are about to pass, this smile on your face. You have endured all tests and trials that have been thrown at you, and yet you have still helped us to endure those trials that we face." The dad says, "Well, do you think that I have life figured out?" The son said, "Yes." The dad replied to him, "Son, keep living. But before you keep living, let me inform you with this story." He said, when you live in a society where the norm is pregnant by 13, a child by 16, married by 18, and divorced by 21, you tell people, do you have life figured out? You may have a piece of life figured out. But what life are you living? The life that you live is not about the materials, not about what you achieve or yet to achieve, but yet how you endure and who you live your life for. So I ask you this question. Are you living your life, or are you just simply living?